welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest, crispiest fried chicken. This recipe is both keto and carnivore friendly, uses no flour, no additional oils, and can be made in under 30 minutes. This is also a super quick weeknight meal that can be made in the air fryer. This is a delicious recipe that can satisfy that crispy fried chicken craving while sticking to your keto and carnivore lifestyle. So let's get started. The first step is to crush or blend 1 cup of pork rinds. Grab enough pork rinds so that you end up with 1 cup after it's ground up. We buy these pork rinds in bulk from Costco because it helps us satisfy that crunchy craving whenever we want it. The only 3 ingredients in the pork rinds are pork, lard from the pork, and salt. So first we grab enough just to crush up 1 cup. Blender. It should work out to be about 2 ounces of pork rinds, or 58 grams. One here. So just pulse it a couple times. So the next step is to take 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and dry them off and season to taste. These have already been dried off, so I'll put a little bit of salt on each one. If you want, or you can tolerate them in your diet, feel free to add any other spices you like. Next step is to beat up 2 eggs to use as glue for the pork rinds. Beat them up really well. We've beat the egg really well, and now we'll get ready to dip our chicken. So we'll line up all our ingredients up in a production line. First, you take 1 piece of chicken, dip it in the egg. Let any excess drip off. Then you dip it in the pork rinds. There you go. I'll show you guys one more. Okay, now that all 6 pieces are evenly coated, let's preheat our air fryer to 375 degrees. So the next step is to air fry the chicken thighs for 12 to 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit. A quick tip is to add a couple tablespoons of water to the bottom of the air fryer so that the fat that drips off the chicken doesn't burn and doesn't create too much smoke. Place the chicken evenly spaced in the air fryer basket. This is a 7-quart air fryer and just fits all 6. If you can, leave a little bit of space between each chicken thigh just so they brown evenly. If you want them extra crispy, just put them in for additional 3-minute increments until you get the desired level of crispiness. So the fried chicken took 20 minutes to reach 165 Fahrenheit, so now we're ready to try. Ooh, it's crispy. Fried chicken's super juicy. Oh, it's so juicy. Time for the first bite. It's so juicy. The skin is gone crispy and the pork rinds kind of give it a bacony, smoky flavor. It's so good. We just do salt too. Sometimes we add like garlic powder or onion powder, some more secret spices. But I think if you're trying to stick to a strict carnivore diet, this is the perfect recipe. I hope you guys can hear the crunch. So good. The recipe has a good ratio of protein to fat. Make sure to always get the bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You get more fat and just more flavor as well. I wonder how many pieces I can eat. If you liked our video today, please leave us a like and comment down below what other recipes you'd like to see us make in the future. See you next time.